Welcome to this tutorial. How to delete Gmail account in Android phone. You can tap on the settings icon or can swipe down the notification shade from the top. Tap on the gear icon. Scroll down and find the accounts option. And then tap on it. Tap on the Google option to open it. At the bottom, tap on the More with 3 vertical dots. Now, tap on the Remove Account option. From the confirmation box, tap on Remove Account again. See, the Google account has been removed, and also your Gmail will not be accessible now on your Android phone. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to us.